Miss Pops, congratulations for this new venture.
Thank you so much.
What made you decide to enter the world of business and ito cosmetics naman? From being our concert queen to our business queen na ba ito?
Actually, matagal-tagal na akong nag-negosyo.
Pero for this time for cosmetics.
For cosmetics, yes. I'm very excited. This is a, thank you. Haan na ba ito? Ayan. This is a dream of mine. No? I've been thinking about this and dreaming about it for such a long time. And why did it take so long? Maybe I needed a partner like Viva to put it together, and with their strength and hopefully my strength, Pick will do very, very well.
Miss Pops, what's the story behind Pick Cosmetics? Why did you name it Pick Cosmetics?
Originally, actually, it was supposed to be Perf for perfect, and then if you notice, the initials P and F, P in the beginning and F. So unfortunately, I don't think we could use the name, so we had to change it, and the next choice was Pick. So I think it's after a long discussion, kasi medyo na heartbroken ako nung hindi ko nagamit yung Perf. But I think Pick is a perfect choice also. It's whatever you pick, and what we say nga is this time you get to pick your beauty because we are all beautiful. So it's just a matter of choosing your pick, your kind of beauty.
Yes. Thank you, Miss Pops.
Thank
Ang
you.
posh nung name, Miss Pops.
Oh, thank
Bagay na bagay. Thank you, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Advance, happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Kita tayo. Anyway, sige, magtatanong ako na. Kahit alam ko na isang among all the three shades, girl, which best represents your personality?
Well, I personally chose the colors. No? These are really my personal choices. And lahat naman gusto ko. Pero yung favorite na ginagamit ko everyday is Posh. It's exactly what I'm using right now. Hindi siya masyadong
Loud.
outstanding, di ba? So it's good for everyday. But I super love the Popular. My girls are actually wearing
Parang wicked lang.
Yes,
So
lalong-lalo
popular.
na, lalong-lalo na
Exactly.
pag light lang ang makeup mo and you go
Mm.
out at night and you want to stand out. I think Popular is a great pick for that look. You know?
Okay, a second question. What's your plan for your birthday?
Aba, it's so related to pick. Well, on my birthday, I'm actually working. On my birthday, we're going live on TikTok. It's my first time to do a TikTok live selling.
For pick.
For Pick. So, Pick will be launched officially tomorrow on all the digital online
Platforms.
shopping platforms. But on December 12, we
sale.
shall go TikTok live. Ayan. Huwag ka mag-alala, girl. Magsa-celebrate tayo before that. Ayan.
Thank you, girl. Love you.
Thank you, I love you. Parang kailan lang.
Ano pa tayo?
Oo.
Ayun na. Ready na ako gamay. Anyway, Miss Pops, congrats dito sa new business. Pero na-mention mo kanina parang it took a while para mag-materialize or matuloy ito. Anong reason bakit medyo natagalan?
There were
Hindi pa ba?
there were already parang kumbaga sa we tried to put something before, no? I tried to put something before, hindi siya nag-materialize. I always believe that when you want something and you pray about it, it usually happens at the right time. So maybe now is a better time for this cosmetic line and beauty line to finally be launched.
Okay. Hindi pa rin yung second question. Kasi saan siya mabibili? If ever? Online lang ba siya?
Online muna siya, online.
Okay.
So they can go on I can say it naman, no? Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, online muna kami.
Okay. Then my next question. Coming from the name Pick, can you give us at least 3 celebrities na you want to pick para gumamit nitong pink lipstick?
Ayoko ng 3. Gusto ko lahat sila gumamit ng fake.
Pero
Ah,
top 3 on your mind.
Top 3. Oh my gosh. Hirap
Oh,
naman.
number 1.
Celebrity. Astor Amorio, ayan. Amongst the press, ayan, done. Siguro, syempre, yung mga nakikita natin parate, di ba? Si Anne Curtis, although I know meron na siya. But sinabi mo, yung
Gusto mo.
yung dream ko na maggamit ng pick, no? Ay, lahat yata meron ng line. Yung naiisip ko on top of mind, no? Si Vice, ayan. Mariel, ayan.
Okay, bakit sila? Sorry.
And Small. Ayan.
Oo.
Ayan. Celebrity na si Small, so bakit
Yes,
hindi?
yes.
Oo. So, bakit? Because, well, magaganda sila. Hindi lang naman yon. I always say that we all are beautiful, di ba? I guess it's also because of their strength also on social media, di ba? So, siguro isa sa kanilang gumamit, baka mas umingay si Pick. Ayan.
Okay, thank you, Miss Pam.
Thank you. Ay, natisin
Hindi
niya.
nakikinig.
Hi, Miss Pops.
Hello.
Isa po. Na-mention kanina that you're an icon sa beauty and fashion, but sa inyo po personally, what is beauty to you? And also, what you want the users to maybe feel when they, buy the products, big products?
Lately kasi I believe in self-love, self-confidence, and building up your self-esteem. I always say that we are all beautiful. Sometimes we just need a little boost and reassurance para masabi natin at magkaroon tayo ng confidence. And I think that's what PIC is all about. It should help you feel better when you use it. Again, there's nothing wrong with anybody. There's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with us. But it's just a matter of enhancing. And I think what is beauty? Beauty is what's inside us. Diba? If you feel it, you feel good about yourself. That's for me beautiful. What's inside your heart, that's also beautiful. Diba? And whatever is in you should come out. Yun yung nakikita natin ba? Diba?
Thank you. And then, I've noticed na parang 3 shades pa lang siya. So in the future, are we looking for more shades and then maybe like
Yes.
foundation, other products apart from the lipsticks?
Yes, our plan for PIC is really big. Actually, ni-rush lang namin to for the Christmas season. I really wanted to launch before Christmas. So, kaya 3 lang siya. But eventually, we're gonna add, by early next year, we're gonna add more colors to our lipsticks, as well as foundations and blushes, and etc. etc. So, we really have huge plans for PIC. So, that's why I'm very, very excited.
How affordable is it? for
It's
them?
very affordable. Ayan.
Ayan.
Very affordable na hindi naman na-affect yung quality. It's safe to say that everyone's gonna get a sample once you get it. Please try it because hindi naman ako mapapahiya. It's not, the other products kasi maski na mahal sila ha, once you use it, it dries your lips and all that. I have dry lips, so that's always my problem. So one of the things in particular that we wanted to achieve with the lipsticks is that when you use it, it actually hydrates. And I guess it's safe to say na may anti-aging quality siya because it helps you not just hydrate, it helps you plump your lips para di ba minsan may lines tayo. So yun. Because I guess we're targeting not just the younger generation, they of course would love the colors, but we're also targeting all the middle-aged women and up. because I think this is very, very valuable for me.
Thank you, Miss Pop.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
So, of course, aside from you being a concert producer, bakit about beauty or beauty products ang next na launch mo?
Kasi kikay rin ako. I like,
know. I know.
I like makeup. I rarely use it during my everyday life, but I love makeup, diba? And it's something that I feel na ako mismo gagamitin ko. Ako mismo gagamitin ko for my work, for my everyday life. So, kailangan yung something na ginagamit ko rin para pag nakita ng tao, kung gagamitin niya, ibig sabihin, okay pala kasi I myself will be promoting my own product. Plus, I've always been a fan of a lot of makeup brands and a lot of yung mga nakikita ko sa mga places like Sephora. Lahat yan halos tinatry ko. I get really, really curious. Pag sinabing ito yung bagong ingredient sa makeup, try ko yan. Because I want to see, does it really work? Can it really help my skin? Let's say, is this really a fantastic foundation? So, sabi ko, it's something that I'm curious about, something that I love. So, and yun na nga, since nagbe-makeup rin ako, diba? So I feel bagay sa akin na
It is. Totoo.
beauty brand or beauty business.
Yes, pero paano mo naman na-convince si Boss Vic? Very first beauty business ng Viva?
Yeah, I'm really, really touched. But actually, hindi ko naman siya kinonvince, siya actually yung nag-offer. So, parang na-read niya yung mind ko. We had a meeting and it wasn't really for a business like this. Our meeting was about something else. And when he brought it up, I was actually shocked and I said, oh my gosh, that's really something that I want to do. And when he offered to partner, I was really, really surprised, but overwhelmed because I was, like I said, I was so touched. It's something that I have been thinking of and been dreaming of for a long time.
Lastly, aside from the online selling, Lazada at saka Shopee, di ba, available na to, will there be physical stores na mag-carry ng pick?
For now, maybe in the future, but for now, we do want to concentrate first sa online. Parang yun naman ang pinaka easy way to go for now. Diba?
Tsaka walang maintenance, no?
Yes.
Yes. Anyway, thank you. And of course, congratulations. So proud of
Thank
you,
you,
anak.
Tita Aster.